Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by adding your Google account to the iPhone. This lets contacts sync securely. First, make sure your iPhone is on a reliable network and you know your Google credentials. Open Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts. This is where you add an account. Choose Add Account and pick Google. Sign in when prompted. You do this now because authorization occurs once and lets contacts update automatically. Once done, you'll move to selecting what to sync and finalizing settings. Once signed in, you must explicitly enable contacts for that Google account so the iPhone pulls the data. Toggle contacts on, and if you have multiple accounts, set Google as default account so new contacts save there. If you use labels or multiple contact groups in Google, they'll appear after the initial sync. Large address books can take a few minutes. Make sure background app refresh and Wi-Fi assist aren't restricted so the sync completes. Once finished, open the Contacts app to verify entries. Now confirm all contacts are visible by opening Contacts and pulling down to refresh. Scan for missing or duplicate entries. If contacts are missing, check the Google account in Settings and ensure Contacts toggle is on. For duplicates, clean up in Google Contacts web or use an iPhone merge tool. Cleaning at the source prevents repeat issues. If sync fails, remove the Google account and add it again, or toggle contacts off then on to force a fresh sync. This usually fixes authorization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.